With the advancements in medical science and technology, the understanding of the human being and the medical profession starts thinking about what more we can do to prevent diseases, what more we can do to identify people who may be at risk for some disorders. And this has resulted in the concept of the master health checkup. Usually if somebody is over 45 years of age, they say you must have an annual checkup where you look at your heart, you look at your blood pressure, your blood sugar and various other things, and periodically they keep checking to ensure their health. So the issue is our focus is on an adult, a fully grown adult, where we are concerned about his or her health, and we keep saying periodically you check yourself up. Now let's translate this whole thing into the growing baby. We always presume that everything is all right because we don't see the baby growing. We can only see it by doing ultrasound. And before the era of ultrasound, the mother always thought, or the family always thought, yes, there is a pregnancy, it's going to result in a normal childbirth. But often they are taken by surprise at birth, saying there's a problem here. While majority of the pregnancies will result in a normal childbirth, about 2 to 3% will have problems. Now the advent of ultrasound has changed the scenario completely, where the element of surprise can actually be taken away in majority of the cases. So we can look at the baby and get a structural normalcy of the baby, but that structural normalcy ensure the normalcy in all aspects? The answer actually is no. So what do we do? And also if you do a scan at, let's say, 11 to 12 weeks, does that mean if that scan is normal, the baby is going to be born normal? Do we need to do anything else? So in order to address this issue, we can actually design or create what is known as a fetal master health checkup. What does this fetus actually require to be done? What is it that we need to do to ensure that baby is normal? Because we need to know the size of the baby, whether it's corresponding to the age which is supposed to be, and which we can ideally do it by doing several ultrasounds in pregnancy, the structure of the baby, the movements, for example. And in addition, in special cases, we can do what is known as a Doppler, where we identify blood flow to the baby, whether it is getting enough amount of nutrition and oxygen, which tells us the baby is going to be healthy. So by doing, let's say, 3 scans in the pregnancy, at the International Association of Gynecologists called FIGO has recently let out a position statement that for any pregnancy, we need a minimum of 3 scans. One is at 11 to 12 weeks, the other is 18 to 20 weeks, and the other after about 28 to 30 weeks. So by periodically examining the baby, we can ensure the baby's health. And we can not only look at the baby, but also look at the environment, where the fluid around the baby is all right, where the placenta is there, and whether the placenta is functioning well by doing Doppler studies. So by delivering this fetal master health checkup and doing it in a systematic way certainly helps us to identify normalcy of the baby to a reasonable extent.